Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to go over two model sets that I came up with in regards to some Transformers animated figures. The first one here is Transformers animated Laserbeak. So I do have Transformers animated Soundwave, and the one I have comes with this Laserbeak right here. So going off of this, I came up with a 3D printable design that's a little bit similar. No, it's no hollow bits on the one I came up with, and the one I have, the feet can move around. But similar, very similar in shape and size and functionality. You've got your two pegs here that Soundwave can hold on to, and the transformation is exactly the same. Just like that. And I printed these on my K2 Plus in multicolor. So this is red and black Laserbeak to match the toy. And then I decided I was going to do a version in some shattered glass colors. So this is a 3-color multicolor print right here. That, and they take I think they're 420 or 440 machine screws. And it's about a 1/2 inch or 6 millimeters in thread length here, two of them, and everything else, two pieces get glued together. There's two pieces here that get glued together. The wing is in two places, it gets glued together, and the body is in two pieces, it gets glued together as well once you've inserted the guitar neck here. So this guy also transforms just like the other one, and just like that. And then we have, and you can, the beauty about this is you can print this in many colors as you'd like. You don't have to stick with the traditional. So we've got 3 Laserbeaks here. Now, I do not have the original Transformers animated Ratbat, so I don't have that figure to go off of. But I did, using just, photos online, came up with this. I'm not sure if this is close to the original size, and I don't have that automorphing ability, because that automorphing ability prevents me from independently flapping his wings, where these two pieces are connected back here. So the transformation is a little different on this, not much, but a little bit different. These pieces here, they peg in to this piece here, right there. So there's a slot and a connection there. So we open that up, we rotate this, that sits in there like that. Another, I can't remember, again, 440 or 420 machine screws here, and you're looking at, I believe this is not quite 1/2 inch. I'm not sure. It's 4 or 5 millimeters. And another screw here, same size. And this one here is 3/4 of an inch thread size, or 17, 18 millimeters. I can't remember exactly off the top of my head. So yeah, we untab this one, tab slot connection, rotate the wing. That sits inside that slot there. And there's two versions. There's a version where you this prints in two pieces to glue together. Same with this piece, which is what this one is, so that there's minimal to no support material. And there's one where this is a solid piece, but you'll have a lot of waste support material. Okay, so we fold those out like that, and then we can take Ratbat and peg all this together right here. Get in there like that, and then we take his head and we rotate him like that, and we've got the guitar. And another cool thing about this version, and the fact that I don't have the automorphing feature, is his head can rotate like this, unlike the original. So it can spin, and you can have the guitar facing either direction like that. So let me get one of these guys transformed, and we'll do a size comparison side by side between the two. Get up there. Like that. Okay. Then we do a side by side comparison. So they're relatively the same size. And Ratbat has the peg here and on this side, so Soundwave can. This is a prototype. These will clip in better in the final version, which will be up on CG Trader today or tomorrow. I'll have the link in the description. This one was printed in, the head was printed in 3-color, multicolor print. I printed a handful here. I print a bunch of them at the same time. That's less waste. I have the same amount of waste from one as I do for like 4 or 5. So I think I printed 6 here. And yeah, just minimizes my waste. But yeah, no, open them up, rotate his head, flip out the body and the foot, that tabs together there, that tabs together there, and then you can rotate those wings and you can sit him however you like on the table. These rotate and they move back and forth just like that. Also, one thing I should note about Ratbat is he will require pins right here and right here, about a 1mm diameter pin. I used a large paper clip. I have a bag of large paper clips. I just chop them up and cut them to the length I need. Then I insert them, and then you can either pinch close or melt the ends here so that the pin doesn't fall out. But yeah, so you're going to have to make 2 pins, plus you're going to need 3 screws. And these will be in the notes with the model file set. So that is my Transformers animated Ratbat and my Transformers animated Laserbeak. And again, you guys can print these in whatever colors you like. You can print multiples of these in multiple different colors, have a whole army of them. I unfortunately, when I came to making this guy, I had run out of black filament. I know he's supposed to be black and white, a black and white keytar with a red here, but I ran out of black filament, so I just printed this off quick in purple for purposes of this video. So again, thanks for watching, and the link will be in the description for where these can be downloaded on CG Trader.